So welcome my people. So you're welcome to another training, and this is Prosper again. So you're welcome to the training, and this training, what I'm about to show you guys is how you can build an NFT marketplace website. Yes, you heard me right. So what we're going to do in this project is that we're going to develop an NFT marketplace website. So without any time much wasting, we'll be diving straight to what we have for today. So as I told you that we're going to be dropping a lot of fantastic projects in this particular channel. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that a lot of things will be going down in this channel and you're going to be blessed. Trust me, you shall succeed by ensuring you following up every tutorial videos and every event that we shall be doing live in the red in PNG's media. So as much being said, so quickly we're going to open our browser. Now for we to get this kind of project done, the major thing we ought to know is that you're going to see another tutorial video that ensure you are getting your hosting and your domain from Namecheap, because our service is top notch. So quickly I'll be signing in to my Namecheap. At the same time, let me just open my mail because I'll be needing my verification code. So it's loading up. So now right now my Namecheap. So what I'm going to do, if you will need how you can purchase a hosting and a domain, you don't know, you can send a comment to that, or watch my other previous tutorial video, or you just browse on the internet how can I buy a hosting and domain from Namecheap, or you come right down here where you're going to see chat with a live support. It's going to be somewhere here, so you go to live chat page, as you can see there, so you can chat them up and they're going to direct you to ensure you purchase your hosting and your domain successfully. So next I'm going to do right here, I'm going to sign in into my own account. So I already had an account with Namecheap, so I'm going to be signing in straight ahead. So the verification code has been sent to my mail, so I'm going to open up my mail and I'll be moving straight to where I can get. So it has already uploaded, it has popped up from here, so I'll click on it. It's going to open it up for me. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm going to hit my enter button. So the next thing I'm going to do right here, I'm going to click on my hosting list. So ensure you follow up what I'll be doing right here. You don't need to fast forward anything so that you don't miss any step that I'll be taking in developing this project. So I've been working on this project a while. So now that the project is ready, so I'm giving it to you raw as it is. So for you to continue in this tutorial video, you need to get some of the script file that I'll be using for this project. So ensure you get them so that you don't just watch, but you watch and also practicalize. Yes, you don't wait until you have a lot of money before you start purchasing tools projects for you to start making up your own successful foundation. The little money you have, you try purchase something, you've gotten that. Another little money you have, you try purchasing something, you've gotten that. Little money you have, you try purchasing something. That is how things accumulate, and that is how you take up things to become something tangible. So I've logged into my cPanel. Now I'm moving straight to my file manager as you see what I was doing. So next thing I'm going to do, so I already created a subdomain, but for you, if you're just starting this for the first time, you'll be operating yours in your public_HTML. Yes, you hear that right? So that is where you'll be doing all of what I'll be doing in my own. So for me, I already created a subdomain name nft.pngsmedia.com. So I'll be right there, right here. So what happened is I already had this file already in my cPanel. So for you, you're just gonna click on upload, then you click on select file. So as you can see, I already have it here. So this is where the SQL file is. So it's under my pictures project NFT marketplace. So if I double click on this, it will start uploading here. So it will ask me, do I want to overwrite this file? So for me, I will click on no. I'm not overwriting the file. I already had that because about 200 and something MB. So I will not want to risk re-downloading it. 200 megabytes is a whole lot of. So for that, we'll just move straight ahead. So next I'm going to do right here is I'm going to extract this file. So I right click on it and I click on extract. I click on extract. So we're going to wait for it to extract. So it extracts successful. So for me, I want to delete this permanently, as you can see. But for you, you can just you might not want to check this up in case you make an error and you want to reuse the script file, maybe the one the folder that you've already unzipped or you've already extract. Maybe there was an error or you made an error, you deleted something by mistake. So I will advise, since it's a large file to upload, you will not want to risk another 220 MB re-uploading the file again. So just delete it without checking this place if you might want to still use it again. But for me, I'm not sure I'll be using it again, and my cPanel is already running out of space. So I'm going to delete that permanently. So I'm going to tap on this, opening it, then I'll click on select all, and I will move all files. So I don't want it to be in any folder, so I click on move files, then hitting on the back button. So next I'm going to do right here is I'm going to look for that folder where it was, and let me just check that out. Okay, there's one empty, so I'm going to delete that right here because it's useless being there. So just for I always ensure that I manage my space so I don't run out of space and looking for what to delete. So the unuseful things, I try to take them out so that my files on my cPanel will be well managed. So next thing I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to create my database, because right now we need to configure this project, else it's not going to work perfectly the way we want. So right here I'm going to go straight to where I have my con.php. So I'll right click on that, I'll click on edit, and I'll click on edit. So next thing I'm going to do, since this is already opened up, next I'm going to do right here, I'll head back to my cPanel main folder, and I will look for my database dashboard, and I'll click on my SQL database wizard. So right now I want to create an database for our project, so click on make it NFT PNG. So let's work with NFT PNG right here. So NFT PNG, so remember that NFT PNG. So the password, you're going to enter password that you've mastered for some sakes. So next I'm going to do right here is I'm going to click on create user. Yes. So next I'm going to do right here is I'm going to tap on this, Control C. I'll click on all privileges, and I'll click on next step. So our database has been created successfully. Next I'm going to do right here is I'll move straight to here. I'm going to place that with that. So this will be my password will be in between my double quotation marks. So I'm going to enter my password, my database password to be precise. Then that's my database password. Then right here also I'm going to paste in my database name. So we've done the username, the password, and the main name. So next I'm going to click on this what, save changes. So heading back to our cPanel main home page, you're going to go straight to your database dashboard once more, then click on php my admin. So it's loading up, so don't worry about this. Today's we have a good network and everything is running really fast, as you can see. So we're just gonna give it like about 5 seconds for everything to load up very well. So let's just count 1 2 3 4 5. So the database we created right here right now is NFT png. So right here, this is right here. So I'm going to click on it and allows it to load up. So as it's loaded up, so what you see right here is an empty database structure. So what we need to do right now, we need to upload our SQL file, which is our structured query language. And as you can see, no tables are found in the database, so we're going to import our tables, of which we shall be working with, so that we can ensure this project is up and running. So next I'm going to click is on, I'll click on my browse button. So for you, just ensure you know where you've stored your files. So for me, fortunately, as I click on my browse, it just drives me straight to where I want it to be. So I've selected my SQL file, so I'll dive straight to the button and I'll click on the go button. So you just give it a time for it to load up. So for now, you can grab a bottle of beer and ensure you are in a merit mode while we take this ride. So successfully, our database SQL file has loaded up successfully, and we got the success report. Yeah, so I guess we're good. So the next we're going to do, since we've uploaded our SQL file in our database and we've configured our site database, so I guess for now we're good to go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do some configuration settings to ensure we are good and our project is alright. So what I'm going to do right here is I will just look for, so this is my subdomain, so I'm going to copy that and I'll browse it in a new tab. So let's see what we got. So it's loading up. It's loading up for the first time, so you're going to allow it to generate all of its dependencies and all of what it will be requiring for the first run up. So as you can see, it's loading. More possibly, when you be reloading this file again, it's going to load up very swiftly because it has been loaded up like just recent. So for we to check if a database was configured successful, so let's click on the login. If we are going to get any reports, if we do not get any report, then we are good and it was configured well. So as you can see, there's no report at the top. If it wasn't configured very well, you're going to see a die report which say, oh, could not connect to the database. Please ensure your database is correctly configured. So for we've done that correctly, so just follow along with what I'm doing and you're going to be having your success message as same just like as I am. So quickly, let's see some few things that we're going to do right here. So next thing we're going to do, I want to get my admin login. So I'll go straight back to my php my admin. I'll click on users. Okay, I see admins on there, but let's just click on users and see what's up under the users. So it's loading. So what I'm seeing right here is I haven't seen anything like an admin. So let's see. Okay, okay. So what we're gonna do right here, we're gonna click on admin. So let's scroll, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. So as you can see, so this is our admin email and this is our admin password. Wow, so that was awesome. So it's admin@admin.com and our password is admin123. So what I'm gonna do right here is head back here. Let's see if we have a folder called admin. So there's a folder called admin, and in the admin, as you can see, it has an index. So I'm going to copy this file right here, like /admin, and I'm going to hit it right here and click on enter. So we are signing in as our admin. So what we're going to enter right here is what? Admin at admin.com. Then our password was what? Admin123. So let's see if we're going to log in successful. So let's try that out. So click on don't save. So let's see if we shall log in successful. Okay, we logged in successful. So that was our admin login details. So ensure you see what I did and you're doing what I'm doing. So for now, we're going to do some pretty setup right here. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to look for our settings button. So this is our settings button. So let's set up our new project website. So next thing we're going to do right here is that, okay, as you can see, this looks like the URL. So if I should delete everything that's there, let me see the placeholder. So the placeholder they said is what? Site URL. So right here I'm going to copy from here. So this is our site URL. So copy that, I'm going to paste it right here. So soon as my SSL will be good, so I'm going to put my HTTPS in that case. So the next thing I'm going to do in this case is what? PNG's NFT, NFT PNG. So let's use PNG's NFT, PNG's NFT. So PNG's NFT. So what we're asked here is the what? The email. So I'm going to use one of the email I've created. So you can watch my other videos and see how I create an email on my cPanel, or some of you would already know how to do such a thing. So for me, I already have something I can use. So in this case, I will just remove this and put pngsmedia.com. So pngsmedia.com. So let's see what we have there. So copyright here, this will be 2023. So I'm going to upload the logo. So for you, okay, before we upload the logo, so let's just create a quick logo of our site. So you can choose on any logo design software you are using. For me, I use Jetta logo design, so I have it right here. So I'll just click that and wait for it to load up. So NFT should look comic, should look iconic, should look something very. So I'm gonna click right here. So let's use something like this, looks nice. So next thing I'm gonna write is NFT PNG's NFT. So it was PNG's NFT. So let's call this NFT PNG's NFT investment. Okay, investment. Okay, something like that. Wow. So let's just use something like this. You don't need much. This is just for tutorial, so you can make your own perfect you can make a very nice project and logo. So logo should not be something so let's click on save image as, let's say png's nft. So we click on save. So we've created our logo, and let's see, we want to create our so this will be favicon image. So we're going to save that, and we're going to save it as save image as png's nft favicon. Then click on save change. So we've created our logo and our favicon, so we can minimize this out. So next I'm going to go into my document, and I will double click on this. This is what I'm needing, and I'll click on update settings. So our settings has been updated successfully. So the next thing we want to see, let's see what we got. NFT management. So let's just see, I guess we're good. So for security, change password, okay. Logout settings, we've done that. Admin wallet, so you can put your admin wallet. So let's see our admin wallet. So we're just setting up some pretty things that we should do. So right here you're going to put your Ethereum wallet. So my Ethereum wallet is this. So this is my Ethereum wallet. Then click on update settings. So that has been updated successful. So API keys, so let's say our API keys. So your public key, your private key, you put that, then you click on update settings. So if you want, so if you are making this for as a mobile app, you want to app my site, so these API keys will be very what essential. So gas fee, so let's click on gas fee. Let's see the gas fee that we'll be having. So for every Ethereum, I want my gas fee to be 0.9, equivalent to 1. So my gas fee has been done. So I'm going to create NFT. So click on NFT. So if you want to create NFT, so NFT name, I want to use Jagun. So my NFT price, I want to put it at $1,000. So what NFT am I creating? So let me see the NFT I want to create right here. So you're just going to pick up your own NFT. So do I really have something close to an NFT? Hopefully I do, but if I don't, I'm just going to choose. So let me just pick this up. So I'm going to create my NFT. So that NFT has been created. So the NFT number is this. So next thing I'm going to do right here is create land. So enter the land name. So I'm going to use Jags. So I'm going to call that Jags. So the land should be $2,000. Then select the land image. Let me assume my land should be this. So I just want to use that, then I click on create. So you should know what you're doing right here. So my NFT, so this will be the list of your NFTs. So let's see the NFTs we have. Let's see the NFTs we have in this project. So as we all know you are having this tutorial from Prosper, and ensure you subscribe to this channel, because I've given you a lot of promises that this channel is going to be a top-notch channel. So stay tuned and don't miss out. So these are NFTs that we have. So this is one of 10 of 27 entries. So we still have about almost 3 more pages. So 1 to 10 of 27, that is 10 10 7. So just 3 pages as right here. So next thing, so these are our NFTs. You can create as many much NFTs you want. So let's see the lands that we have. So these are the lands that we have. So as you can see, these are lands, NFT lands. So user management, so in this case, view investor, manage user. So these are where you can manage investor and manage user. So I'm very sure in this case we haven't created user, but there are already existing user in this project. So next thing, requested transaction. So withdraw request, deposit orders. So we're going to do that when we create an account. So NFT management, so all NFT, marketplace NFT, sold NFT, pending NFT. So these are where you're going to manage all of the NFTs. So land management, so these are where you're going to manage your land. Then send message and emails. So let's click on send mail. So this is where you can send your users or your clients email from your bank. So you enter the subject, the recipient email, so you can get the email from the users management. Once you click on users management, you click on manage user. So let's use an existing, let's just pick and check out an existing user and see if we can get their mail. So as you can see, we can get their mail in this case. So since we can get their mail in this case, so we are good to go. So pretty sure we've done what we ought to do in our admin panel. So the next I'm going to do, I'm still going to open up our site. So what I'm going to do right here is I will just create a user's account. Once I create a user's account, we just check on what and what we're going to do. So so this logo, we need to change this logo. So you right click on that logo, open image in a new tab. So it's under WP content, upload this. So go to content, upload. Upload 2022-01, 2022-01, 2022-01. Yes. Then, so what you're going to do right here is you're going to copy this logo name, as you can see. Then you go straight to where you have your logo. So this is what I want to use. So I'll tap 1, tap 2 on the name of my file, as you can see. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to upload it straight into so yes, it's right here. So this is where I open it up to. So I'll click on upload, I will click on select file. So it's on my document and this is it. So it's gonna show to overwrite. Shall it? Yes, it did. So I'll click on yes. So that has been overwritten. So I'll go back home right here, then I will add refresh. So let's see its possibility. So our logo is too small. Sure, in your own case, you try to enlarge it. We've done that, so let's register. Click on register button. So let's click on register. So full name. So I'm going to enter so this also we need to change this, so right click on it, open image in a new tab, so slash immediate logo. So let's just click on this. So it's just inside the same mail file. So let's see logo.png. So logo.png. So copy this name again, we'll copy it again, we'll go straight here, then we'll paste the name of it. So okay, so something already appears having that. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to upload that file. So going straight to my cPanel. So this is the logo right here, so I'm just going to upload that other one, then I will rename and delete. So just watch what I'm going to do right here. So this is the logo I want to use. So I'll move right here, I'll tap this, tap it again, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then I'll click on delete. So you can see what I'm doing. Then this new one I uploaded, I'll tap 1, tap 2, then I'll highlight and paste and save. So if I come back right here, let me add refresh and see what's going to happen. So as you can see, it has loaded up. So I'll click on register. So now let's register. ORN. So email. Then password.
You might change that for them, change that for the school. So what is not for the children before you have to go, no problem. They will hold the school.
So I'm gonna enter that code. So that is 95234 Now click on register.
You know the school where they pass.
So your successful register email has been sent to you. Please click to verify the mail. So let's go straight to our mailbox and see. So as you can see, so it has arrived. So having that, no, it's not Namecheap or not for Namecheap. So that is PNG's invest. So as you can see, this is awesome. So click on verify button. Okay, there's no verification code in this case. So we've clicked on verify button, so it's taking us to here we can have, okay, so let's quickly remove this extra extension. So you're gonna remove yours, as you can see, and you click on enter again. So go straight back to your admin and go to settings again. As you can see, just what I want to do. I've seen what the problem is.
The
So
man who
remove
paid them.
this extension. It seems in this case not necessary. So let's leave it like this and click on update settings.
They send them to their account.
So
The man who private chat for him.
let's click on update settings again. So that has been done. So let's cancel this. Let's go back to our mail. Then let's click on verify.
Give me that man, don't give it for no. I don't need like 5 years. Give me this another 2 years now.
And let's click on remove the extra extension. Hopefully it works fine now.
Don't give them 8 years.
So in case such thing happen, ensure you remove you see the extension that I removed out. So hopefully it works. So it's from that site, the site URL in the settings that I put right there. So let's see what's happening. So we've registered successful. So our email has been verified. So in case such thing happen, ensure you remove the extensions, right? Ensure you remove the extension. So the email we used was this. Then a password. Our code 346597. Remember me, log in. So we're logging in right now. So ensure you get this script from me so that you can be doing very well. So let's take this out. So right now we logged in. So from here, let's see some pretty things we can do. So NFT marketplace. Land market you can buy, resell NFT. So the ones you bought you can sell them back again. Resell land, the land you bought you can buy them back again. Deposit, this is where you make deposit, this is where you withdraw. So this is your profile. You create NFT. So you can create NFT and you make it on sales. You can create land and you make it on sales. You can contact support by opening a ticket. So if you click on that, so let's see what that looks like. So you write your subject here. So write I need a deposit. Please credit my account. So I click on send message. So the admin is going to get that. So the admin will get back shortly. So next one I want to do some deposit right here. So how much I want to enter? I want to deposit 10 Ethereum. Let me say 1,000. So select
Then you go promote the link to
payment
you.
method. So let's say
Your link to
manual.
promote the certificate.
So click on proceed.
So you don't do on your CV at all.
So you're gonna copy this wallet address, then make the payment or scan this QR code, make the payment. Then once you're done, you click on deposit.
Okay,
Deposited.
you give on your
So
CV.
your deposit is under review. So until the admin credit and check to see that you really did the transaction and they were credited, then they will afterwards credit you your own. So from here, let's go to where we have deposit, requested transaction. Let's see deposit order. So pending from Oriki Prosper, as you can see right here. So the admin saw the money and now it is credited. And then there was another thing we did. So deposit approved, as you can see the messages are popping in already. Um, something I want to say also, okay. Okay, so next thing I want to do, you want to withdraw, right? So you want to buy NFT. So let's just see NFT marketplace. So you can click on buy now. So we want to buy this NFT. So I'll click on payment amount. So it's even 1,000. Wow, it's too much. Purchase of 1,000. So reference number, okay. So I purchased that. So let me go straight to my dashboard. Will I still have money on me? So new NFT purchase. So my balance has gone back again because I got 10,000, that is 1,000, and I bought something 1,000. So in a simple arithmetic maths, 1,000 minus 1,000 is what? 0. So I'm using my money to buy just one product. That's not so good, but it's good for the purpose of this tutorial. So let's see what we can do also. So I guess there are no much things you can do from here. Any other things are things that you can with your own eyes get to know and understand. So next what we're going to do, so let's go straight back to our home page. So let's log out, or let's click on profile. Let's see what we have in our profile. So you put your phone number here. Like click on edit profile and make the edit of those. So right now I'm logging out. So now that I'm logged out, I click on logo to go back home. Okay, so let's see some few things that you might want to edit. So we want to edit this footer. As you can see, this footer. So go straight to your cPanel back again. So this index.htm, so click on edit, you click on edit. So you're gonna type the word NFT, right? So Control F, NFT, NFT. So let's go back to, so it's NFT mint. So let's just type NFT mint so that we just hit NFT mint. So we have 6 of that. So what you're gonna do, starting from the first one, so let's see what's the number one. So NFT mint, we're gonna change it to PN G's NFT. So from here I can just copy this, I'm gonna put png's media.com, info at png's media.com. So next we're going to do, then click on next. So we're going to change this to what we have. So change this also to what, 2023. So that's how you can also change every other content that appears in any other pages in your menu that you will be operating or using. So that's it. So let's click here and let's refresh this and see what happens to our footer. So it's loading because it had refresh, so it's loading. So the next thing I want to do, if you look at here, let's change this favicon. So under my index dot, I'm going to type favicon. Hopefully I see it, favicon. So fafi. So it's under upload. Twenty 12. So this is what I'm reading. Look at this, you can see. So this is the directory where it exists. So it's WP content upload 2021-12, right? So we're going to browse this file, then upload our favicon. So we'll move straight to here and go to content. Click on uploads, click on 2021, click on 12. So this is where we're going to be uploading our favicon. So I'll click on select file. So this is the favicon we want to use. So it's going to load up. So once it has loaded up successful, so the first thing we want to do right here is so the image we opened, there is the image we opened, the favicon image. So okay, it was under yes. So this is the image, right? So we're going to copy this image URL. So just what I'm doing, so I'll copy this. So I'll move to my cPanel where I have. So what is the name again? The name is cropped favicon 32 times 32. Cropped favicon 32 by 32. So this is it. So what I can do, I'm going to copy this, Control A C, then I'm going to delete it. As you can see, click on delete. So I'm deleting this one permanently. So next I'm going to do right here is I'm going to look for this one that I created. I'll highlight it, I'll paste that one, I'll click on enter. So next I'm going to do again, I'm going to upload it. I'm going to do it about 4 times, I guess. I'm going to select that same file. So once it's selected, I'll click on go back home. Next thing I'm going to do, I'll move straight to my, okay, so we've saved this already, so let's quit this out. So I'll move straight to my index.html. So the next one is what? Crop favicon this, Control C. Then my cPanel, I'll upload this. Okay, it seems I've uploaded the file. So what was the name of the file? So it's 192. So I'm going to delete, so I'll tap on it, Control A C. I'm going to delete this right here. So next I'm going to rename this one also with the file. So still remaining. So the next one that we have is cropped png on by 180, Control C. So right here I'm going to click on upload again. I'm going to click on select file. So this is the file I want to use. So click on go back. So in that case by 180, so I'm deleting this out. So click on delete it permanently, yes, confirm. So I'm going to rename this with the same name. So let's see which one is remaining. So we have by 270. So I'm going to copy that to C, and move straight right here. I'm going to click on upload again. I'll click on select file. Then go back home. So once that has been done, so what I'm going to do right here, the one by 270, I'm going to delete that. So what's the name again? Let's see the name. Favicon, crop favicon 270 by 270. Okay, so let's just check diligently. 270. So let's see 270 by what? 270 by 270. So just defining the file. So in this case, like, I'm feeling being convinced that probably this file might not be existing right here. So I'm going to upload this my file. So okay, so I already did that. So next I'm going to do, right here, I'm going to change this name to that name. Now hit on my OK button. So next I want to do, I'll quickly go back and hard refresh and see what's up. So it's loading up. So let's just be patient and see what's gonna happen. So our ticket has changed successful. So that's it. So let's see, is there any other further question we might want to ask? So for this point we're good. So we've set up our NFT site successfully. So thank you very much for participating in this training. In our next class, we're gonna be doing a very fantastic project, possibly a loan or a flight ticket, hotel ticket booking, etc., etc. So stay tuned so you don't miss out any or every update we shall be making just for you. Yes. Have a nice time. God bless you. Bye.